Hello, the second Timothy here. We're in grade 8. So I'm happy, and Mr. Simplest is always with you with the math class, and I'm always there to help you improve your skills, right? So here we just continue with polynomials. Last time we have studied how you can multiply polynomials, and today you will learn how you can divide polynomials, okay? So you have to know first, I can write an expression. Let's consider this. Let us consider this expression. They give you two variables. They want you to divide the p of x, okay? And here you have g of x, such as g is always different from 0, okay? So this expression can be written like this. I can write g times q of x, times r. I'm going to explain. So what does this expression mean? Q is always, q such as q must be different from 0. So here we have a dividend, and here we have a divisor, and this is your quotient. And when you divide, you can have a remainder. Okay? When you divide, you can have more theory in your notebook. So when we divide, we have another case. You can also have r equals 0. If your remainder is 0, that expression can be written like this. Then your expression will be written p of x and g of x will be written. How will you write it? G of x times q of x. So you just multiply the divisor and the quotient, okay? So let us go to the practice. So the first case, how you can dividing a polynomial by a monomial. This case is very easy. You just need to simplify, okay? You just need to simplify. If they want you to divide a polynomial by a monomial, you just need to simplify. Take this example. You have 2x divide x squared minus 6x by x. This is very easy, okay? So as a solution, you just need to simplify. So you have x squared minus 6 divided by x. So if you simplify, we will have x squared minus 6x, and you put x here, and over there you have x. So you simplify, and there you simplify. So the answer will be x minus 6. So this is very easy to operate. Now if they want you to divide, for more examples, I can give you number 2 to comprehend. If they give you 6x cubed minus 9x squared plus 3x, you divide by 3x. It's the same. Your solution, if you want to do it, you just divide 6x squared divided by 3x minus 9x squared divided by 3x plus 3x divided by 3x. And then we need to simplify. Okay, we simplify here, and we can simplify by 3 and by 3. You will have 2. If you simplify here, you will have 2x squared. And here we can simplify by 3 and by 3. I will have 3. And if I simplify, I will have x. And over there, I can simplify, I have 1. Okay? Now, we're going to go to the point B. The point B is how you can dividing a polynomial by a binomial. Okay? I will give you an example so that you can comprehend very well. If they want you to simplify, just we go with example 1. Divide x cubed plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay? They want you to divide this. How can you do? Okay? You have to write here. You write our dividend. Dividend is x cubed plus 1. And here you write your divisor, x plus 1. And we have to operate. You understand? Very good. Now here we have x cubed. We need to eliminate x cubed. So which number can I multiply by x so that I can eliminate x cubed? So I can, to have x cubed, so I can put x squared, okay? X squared, right. Now, if I have x times x squared, it is a x cubed. So when x cubed comes here, the sign will change and we will have minus x cubed, okay? So we continue. Now here we multiply x squared times x cubed, it will be x squared plus x squared. Now we can simplify x cubed and x cubed. Don't forget that x squared times 1 is x squared. Now we can add 1 plus x squared, we put here plus 1. Okay? Now we don't want to have x squared. So which number I can multiply by x so that I can have x squared? It is x. So I can put plus what? X. Very good. Now if I multiply x times x squared, it will be x squared. When it comes here, it becomes negative. Okay? Then I will have x times 1. I will have x. And here it will be minus x. You underline. And x squared and minus x squared eliminates. Okay? We eliminate them. So we will add. If we add, we have minus x plus 1. Okay? So we are about to finish. This is the last point. I don't want to have x here. So I will put 1. Because if I put 1, it will come here. So that to have a positive here, I need to put a negative number. So I will put minus 1. Now we have x times minus 1 is minus x. When it comes here, it becomes positive. Plus x. Okay? And minus 1 multiplied by 1, minus 1. Here it is a minus. And you see they are additive inverses. And the answer will be 0. You see, it is like the first case. The second case, we said when you divide, your remainder can be 0. So you are in this case, okay? So we can write it like this. x cubed, okay, plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is, the answer is over there, x squared plus x minus 1. Thank you, my friends, grade 8s, 2 Timothy. You will have more and more exercises in your platform. You will have more exercises over there. And don't forget, in this period of coronavirus, if you want to sneeze or cough, use a hairball. And if you want to go out, wear a mask, protect yourself, respect all the measures set by our authorities and WHO. Mr. Simplest, Spring of Life Christian School, we love you so much. Let us meet for a new lesson on the next occasion. May God bless you.